Watch as this man transforms this rusty coil spring. The process begins with shaping. Using a combination of angle grinders and belt sanders, he'll carefully shape the coil spring into the distinctive karambit blade. Next step is sharpening. Using a series of sharpening stones and honing techniques, he'll turn this blade into a razor-sharp cutting tool. Handles are really important because they make the knife with a perfect look. And the last step is finishing. And there we have it, folks. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more unique projects like this one.